for what you want to learn, and then the L stands for learn. And after we read through this article on Earth's atmosphere, we'll learn a little bit more, and we'll be able to see if any of the questions that we had were answered. So let's begin with K. No. What is something that we already know about the atmosphere? And first, what is the atmosphere anyways? Can anybody help me out with that? Yes. Okay, so can someone help? And what's your name again? Yari. Can someone help her out? She said it's something that might be outside or inside. What do you think? Is the atmosphere outside of the Earth or inside of the Earth? Outside. Kyle, can you help me?
I think the atmosphere is outside of the Earth. I think the atmosphere is part I think the atmosphere is outside of the Earth.
Okay, so who agrees with Kyle? Is it that it's outside? Can you show me with thumbs? Everyone's thumbs. If you think it's on the outside, show me a thumbs up. If you're not sure, in the middle, and then if you disagree, then down. I need everyone to show me. I don't know. I don't see everyone's fingers. I can't see your thumb when you have your thumb inside. Okay, thumbs up. Ryan? Alright. Alright, so most of us agree that it's outside. So it is outside. And so once again, Yari, is the atmosphere on the outside or the inside? Outside. Okay, so we know that it's on the outside of Earth. And like the actual definition is that it's a gaseous layer that envelopes the Earth. Does anybody know what envelopes mean? Yes, Andrea?
Like to cover up, like to cover up something.
Yes. So envelope means that it's just surrounding the Earth completely. All right, so what else do we know about the Earth's atmosphere? I mean, at least two more things. Yes, Andrea?
We also know, I think the atmosphere is like on the outside of the Earth, so what I know is like it's hard, like, you know how like Miss Francine was saying about the little tennis ball on this Earth, and but so the tennis ball is hard and stuff around it, so like I think that the atmosphere is hard.
Okay, so you think the atmosphere is hard. Who agrees with our friend? Who wants to go? Let's hear someone who hasn't. Yes? What's your name again? Alexis. Okay, I'm trying to learn names. So you think it's hard? All right. Why do you think it's hard? What makes it hard?
Because usually not much movies, like people that go to the States or they come back, they say that stuff like the atmosphere is like hard and
Okay, so who agrees with our friend here as well? Who wants to build? Yes. You disagree? Okay. Okay. So you said a key word, gassy. So who knows if is gassy hard,
No.
like soft?
It's soft.
It's soft, right? You can't feel it. Just like the air. The air contains many gases. So the atmosphere is gaseous. So Andrea, you said that it was hard, right? Okay, so what did Yari say that the atmosphere was? Was it hard or is it soft?
so.
It's soft.
And I think that when I was like thinking know what they were saying. I was thinking about like, how can you not feel the earth?
Okay.
Like, how can you not feel it? Like it's like when you go out of space and you try to come out there, and you try to come back in Earth, you can't feel. All you do is go through it. You can't feel it.
Okay. So that you do feel some pressure, right? Is that what you mean by being hard?
Yeah.
Is that what you meant, Alexis, by being hard? Okay, so you're on the right track. The atmosphere does have some sort of pressure that makes it feel like it's hard. Maybe when astronauts are coming back in, they might feel some pressure. Has anybody flown in an airplane as well? And there's pressure. Okay, even when you hit a ball, right? Sometimes the air resists with the ball going far enough, right? So there is some sort of pressure, but it's not. When something's hard, like a solid, it can't go through, right? You can't. This is hard. You can't go through. Yeah. So what it means by being gaseous is that you can go through it. It's air, gassy-like, sort of like being soft, although it may seem like it's invisible. So let's say the right word is gaseous. And we also said that there's pressure. Does anybody know what makes up the atmosphere? What are some of the gases that you learned to make up the atmosphere? Yes, Yari?
When you first said that, like, when you and Andrea said, like, it was pressure, I was thinking, like, how, like, the astronauts come back, and then, like, they go in, like, the atmosphere. It's like this fire or something.
Okay. 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 So it's true when you see sometimes fire coming out of the rockets when they're launching into the atmosphere. Right? Okay. So does anybody know any of the gases that make up the atmosphere? Who wants to take the guess? And there's the hint. They're on the floor. Yes. Oh, Ryan has this question. Yes? Oxygen. And oxygen, did you know that oxygen, we breathe it? Everyone take a deep breath. You're taking in oxygen. All right, and anybody else? Any other gases that make up the atmosphere? Let's hear from someone else. Yes. Carbon dioxide. We release carbon dioxide when we breathe out, right? So we breathe in oxygen, and then we release carbon dioxide. However, that's not one of our gases here. Okay, so let's move on. What are the things that you're wondering about the atmosphere? What are some questions that you still have? Yes, Kyle? Like, what is a question that you have about the atmosphere? What do you want to learn about it? I'll come back to you. Yes, sir? Okay, so what makes it up, right? What's in it? Anybody else have a question? Okay, Kyle has one now.
Can you, like do, like, airplane, like, the atmosphere or,
Okay. Okay, so how is it that airplanes can fly in the atmosphere? How airplanes fly in it, right? sure you sign. Where's the folder? You have the folder there? Make sure that you sign and take the test. If the folder's not there, we'll sign later. Just say that. Yes.
Why are you so messy?
Okay, why is it so gassy? And maybe one more. Yes, Andrea?
Why is it so foggy?
Why is it so foggy?
Yes, like when you go like on a plane. Well, I haven't went with my mom did. She told me all about it on the plane. She didn't wanna go to sleep because she didn't wanna do nothing. So she still had like a little bit of service and had called me and was like, I'm on the plane and it's real foggy when she was going to Miami, Florida.
Okay.
And they had to go through it.
All right. So yeah, that's a good connection. So let's see if we can investigate now our questions and see if we can find some of the answers today in our reading. So you have the page in front of you already, and so if you see an answer to one of these questions, raise your hand, and I'll know. And we'll pause. And I'll start first, and then I'll take volunteers. Okay? So everyone just